In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Google AdSense account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. The first step is to open your favorite web browser. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you prefer will work just fine. Just go ahead and click on it to launch. Now, in the address bar at the top, you're going to type in Google AdSense and then hit Enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the search results, but make sure to click on the link that says AdSense, Google AdSense, which should be the official website. It's important to click the official site to ensure you're entering your information safely. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. It's usually easy to spot, so go ahead and give it a click. Now, you're on the next page where you'll need to fill in your credentials. Start by entering the email address associated with your Google AdSense account. Be sure to double-check for any typos because this has to be correct for you to gain access. Once you've entered your email, click the Next button. Next up, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Again, take your time to type this in accurately. If you have trouble remembering your password, there is usually an option to recover or reset it, but let's get into that later if you need it. Once you've entered your password, click Next again. If everything was entered correctly, congratulations! You just logged in to your Google AdSense account. You might now see your dashboard, where you can view all your earnings, ads, and various metrics related to your AdSense account. But what if you've forgotten your password or are having trouble logging in? No worries. On the login page, after entering your email, you will typically see a link that says Forgot Password. Click on that, and you'll be guided through steps to reset your password. Google will send a verification code to your recovery email or phone number, which helps in proving your identity. Follow the prompts, and you'll be back in your account in no time. Remember, maintaining the security of your account is crucial. Make sure to log out if you're using a shared computer and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. It's a simple step that can help secure your account even further. And that's it. You're now ready to navigate your Google AdSense dashboard and manage your ads and earnings. Explore the features available in your account and leverage the tools that AdSense provides to maximize your online revenue. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Logging in is just the beginning. There's a lot more you can learn about making the most out of your Google AdSense account.